DIY DIY. Here's a quick video on how to change an air filter in a Vauxhall Zafira. It's quite straightforward. All you need is a tool to undo this C-clip here, not C-clip, Jubilee clip, and a torx tool to undo these. So you've got 1, 2, let's have a look, 3, 4, 5, and that should just pop straight off. So we'll go and get the tools and we'll get cracking. Right, tools I'm going to use. I've got one of these. I would recommend if you want to spend any time working on Vauxhalls, or if you get a Vauxhall, Opel, GM, whatever, get a torx set. I've had this because I used to do a lot of work on courses. Definitely worth having because most of the stuff you're going to be working on, and get a socket set as well. That's torx. Definitely worth having. So I think it's see there, it's a T30, I think that one is. Just see, looks like a T30. So just check that. Yeah, seems to fit all right. The trouble with this set though is that it's a 1/2 inch socket that goes in there, but just get yourself an adapter like I've got and it'll just change from your 3/8 to a 1/2 inch, and then you can use it no problem. I'm going to use my Vauxhall electric screwdriver to do it, the socket adapter, and that should work all right. So let's see how we get on. First thing I'm going to do is undo that as well, and then pull it all out. So this is what I'm doing. I've got one of these, so I'm just going to undo that. Take much, just one of those, just a socket set, 67 mil, ideal for taking out Jubilee clips. Comes both sides, 2 different sizes. You don't have to have one of them, but it does help. Took the these don't come out all the way, so you ain't gonna lose them. So you just do them so far, it just comes out like that. Like I say, you just use your torx set. So take off the temperature sensor loom as well, that because there's one there that probably will get in the way. You don't want to damage that. So ideally, you know what, I don't think I'm going to need to take that off. I think I'm going to be all right. We'll probably just leave that. I'll just tighten it on. It seems quite stuck, and to be honest, I don't want to break this duct, so you can see it right in there. So this is the filter. Doesn't look like it's been changed for a long time. It's a man filter. Probably was a genuine one, but I'm using a genuine one. But if you get in there with a hoover, get a bit of blue cloth as well, and just give it a wipe. Don't go too much though, because I don't want anything just get worse. So just leave that like that. This is what I've got. It's a genuine GM filter, and if you can see there, it's a man filter as well, so you could probably get a cheaper version of this, but it's definitely a genuine filter. Move that one out of the way. We'll put this one in. It's good to keep I mean, they recommend every 2 years for these, but for the price of some of these, it's definitely worth doing it more often. That should just slip into there. Make sure it's like for like filter. Seat properly. Don't use anything that's you know, when you don't use genuine, you're sort of not sure whether it's going to sit properly, or it might be just quite out. But if you can get genuine, depends on your budget. I mean, most genuine parts are parts taken out of one box and put into a genuine box. So have a look, find out what they actually use. Make sure that's seated in. We'll do that first. Like I say, you can take this off, but I don't think it was worth my while. That's probably quite... Right, this is what I've used. So just do it bit by bit. Don't over tighten. And just be careful what you're working around. Obviously, it's quite a good bit of kit, this Vauxhall screwdriver. When the battery's working alright, I should have charged this up really, but it is a good bit of kit. Can use it manually. Don't over tighten because you don't want to crack it. Don't forget to pop your air temperature sensor back in, and that's it. That's pretty much all you got to do. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Why? Tell me. These are great jobs for the DIYers. Nothing too taxing. Be methodical. Take your time and enjoy what you do. Thanks for watching.